What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to install or how to make your iPhone 10, 10s to an 11 Pro, or maybe even a bonus one for an 11. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and install this on our iPhone. Here we go. So let's go ahead and take this off the plastic. As you could see there, I have a past videos that you guys love to watch, and basically this will replace the sticker up here and also having to buy another set. This is just a one set, and basically the whole back just sticks onto your iPhone. So basically any iPhone 10, iPhone 10s will work with this, and it will make your iPhone 10, iPhone 10s, 10s Max look like an 11 Pro. Right there, as you could see, it's a fake camera, the flash up there. It's all fake, and here is a little bit of a opening right there where you could see the flash will come out of that, and these will be on your wide lens and your telephoto lens. To install this is pretty easy. Basically you're just taking off this tab right here and the rest of this, making sure before you install though, make sure that your phone is nice and clean. As you could see there, my phone is not bad. So step one, just peel off the back and get your phone ready just like that. It'll be a bit tricky for me here, but I'm gonna try my best to not mess it up. As you could see up here, they also have another set of sticker. Don't forget that right there. Once you're ready, go ahead and install it. So this will line up inside. Once you have that going, the rest should just go flat. Installed just like that. And so there you go. Once you're all done, you can inspect it one more. All done. The last thing you need to do is take off the plastic that are on the camera itself. Those are not scratches, those are just extra plastic that you need to take off once you've installed the back. So like that, just there you go. Get rid of that. There's also two more. There you go. Some might prefer to keep it there so your lenses are not getting scratched. It's kind of like a screen protector, but I'd like to just take it off for the sake of demonstration. And there you go. All done. Now I'm going to show you how the flash works. Flashlight right there. So as you could see, it's not very bright anymore, but it still works. It still comes out of those holes right there. So it's usable somewhat. Let's turn off the lights here. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and install the iPhone 11 backing for iPhone 10R. The red is a bit different here, so this is gonna be tricky, but let's go ahead and try it out and show you guys how great it looks. So again, the same way, making sure that everything looks good, and you're just aligning the camera up here, and you should be good to go. And there you go. So it's not too bad. As you could see, it's a bit different red, but this is just the side, and you can't really see a whole lot of difference here, so that's pretty good. Now for those of you who are wondering, let's try out the flash. As you can see there, flashlight turned on. There you go. Let's turn off our light. There you go. Now this has a tinge of red getting reflected from the case, as you could see there. But it does work well. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to install or how to make your iPhone 10 into 11 Pro. So you could see there, got my pretty cheap iPhone 11 Pro right here. Been rocking the iPhone 10 for quite some time now, and now I could have the 11 Pro just like that. It takes 2 seconds to install, and anyone will be able to have that 11 Pro right away. If you have an iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max, this will work for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.